Oh, man! I had a poster of one of these on my wall when I was a kid. I still do, actually, if Nan hasn't chucked it out. Lotus Elise GT1. Let's get it out of here. This is gonna be killer when it's ready. I'll call you.
This is the activity panel. You can come here to find and join events and activities other drivers are taking part in. In 100 yards, turn right. Recalculating route. In 400 yards, turn right. Arrived at your destination.
You found it? Nice! The Redditors were right. I'll be there as quick as I can. Wicked! Audi Sport Quattro. With a siren and everything. People are saying this belonged to... Wait, in the...